get that segment is right click on the clip and add insert frame hole segment. So as you can see, it has added a frame hole segment. And if you were to zoom in on the segment, you will see it is essentially just a static frame. Hello guys, so in this video we'll look at how you can add a frame hole segment in Premiere Pro. Frame hole segment is essentially just a pause that you can add in your original clip. For example, let's say I recorded this clip and I decided to separately add a narration to this clip. And at this very moment, I realized that it would have been better if I had a bit more seconds right at this very instant, so I could have explained a bit more. But you realize that the scene is changing very fast. Essentially, you don't have very much time here to explain in a bit more detail. So all you have to do is just add a pause segment here. Get that segment is right click on the clip and add insert frame hole segment. So as you can see, it has added a frame hole segment. And if you were to zoom in on the segment, you will see it is essentially just a static frame. So once that is done, all you have to do is just stitch back your audio, right click on this and join through edits. And that's it. You have additional time here. As you can see, I can stretch it as much as I want, but obviously you won't need that much. All we need is like a few more seconds, and you can adjust the video accordingly with the audio. Yep, that's how you add a frame hole segment. And if you think that you are needing the frame hole segment quite frequently in your video editing workflow, then all you have to do is just add a keybind here. So all you have to do is go to keyboard shortcuts and search for frame hold segment. I have added a shortcut to frame hold here, and frame hold is essentially, it will just add a cut in that moment. For example, let's say I want to add a frame hold here. I can just press Ctrl-Alt-H, or let's say right click and add frame hold. Okay, so once I've added a frame hold, what it will do is right after this clip, it will pause everything. So basically it has paused the frame at this very instant and replace everything else with that pause frame. So instead of that, you can just add a frame hold segment instead of adding a frame hold.